Moi everyone and welcome to Christmas Your Plate. Christmas is a special time in Finland like everywhere else. And of course, part of that, what makes it so special is the food. I have here a whole host of different kinds of Christmas foods that you might find in Finnish Christmas tables. So let's go through some of the items that are here. First of all, of course, the king of the Christmas table is always the ham, and it'll always be in the center of the Christmas table. But besides the ham, we have here some casseroles. We have some potato casserole, we have some carrot and rutabaga casserole. Sometimes I've heard that a lot of people like to have liver casserole for Christmas, and certainly while that wasn't my experience, that seems to be a pretty common theme. But besides those casseroles, we also have here a couple types of salmon, some smoked salmon, cold smoked salmon, some gravlax. We have some herring. Of course, there's plenty of bread to go around. There's all kinds of pickles. We have some pickled beets, we have some pickled onions, some pickled celeriac, and just plain pickles. We have a couple types of salad here. Mushroom salad is a very common Finnish Christmas item, and so is the beetroot salad. And then we have a Waldorf salad here. Other common items are desserts. We have here some prune quark pudding and rice pudding with prune sauce. And of course, you can't forget the drinks. I have here several types of glöggi, which is a mulled wine. So basically you take wine, you add some spices to it, you heat it up. It's really warming and comforting on a cold winter night, which Christmas a lot of times is. And then we have here some charcuterie, different kinds of smoked meats and fish. And part of the Finnish Christmas celebration is the pre-Christmas season, or sometimes known as Little Christmas, pikkujoulu. And pikkujoulu is a time when, besides the companies will have their own Christmas parties, also people like to have gatherings, more so for friends, when Christmas itself is more a family affair. And a lot of times people will invite friends over for some glöggi, for some hors d'oeuvres, maybe some Karjalan piirakka, or in this case, cocktail piirakka, maybe some self-made pastries, or just general any kind of finger foods that you could have in parties. Also, what we have here is some cheese. We have some blue cheese, we have some Swiss cheese, and Finnish squeaky cheese, and then we have a cheese spread with some salami in it. Oh, I know, I almost forgot. We also have some pickled pumpkin in here. And then, just in case you are not still full, we have here some sandwiches that we made with leftover Christmas ham. And one last item, we have here a bunch of Finnish candies that you could nosh on if you get hungry in the middle of the night. Because as the saying goes, you can even eat at nighttime when it's Christmas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Christmas Your Plate.